Should you be buying PayPal stock? PayPal is a leader in peer-to-peer payments, and I've actually been looking into this stock, and it does look like this is a great long-term hold. Like I know a lot of people want to do day trading and things like that. In fact, I do that too, but you might want to have some stocks where you think this has a lot of potential to continue to go upward. And as you know, I've been a big fan of the credit card stocks, Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. And now I'm adding PayPal to the mix too, even though it's not really in the same category as the others. Now the return on equity on PayPal is about 25%, and I can see that their earnings are continuing to accelerate. And the chart pattern on PayPal looks really quite good too. It has that really nice kind of gentle upward slope where it's just continuing to climb, but not too fast and not too slow either. So I really do believe that PayPal has a lot of opportunities. What's funny about PayPal is that it used to be kind of associated with eBay. I believe eBay used to own it, and then eBay was almost too tied with eBay. And ironically, you can't even use PayPal now on eBay. But in a way, that's great, because what happened is the circumstances of not being able to be on eBay anymore allowed PayPal to focus on innovating, because you even see it on a lot of businesses that they now take PayPal, like these little small mom and pop shops. So I think that that's a sign that we're starting to see that, especially with small businesses, a lot of them will be accepting payment with PayPal. A lot of websites on the internet, a lot of people are probably weary of using their credit cards, giving a credit card number to a merchant. So what better than to use PayPal as a great third-party intermediary in order to make a payment. I do that as well. I don't like to give my credit card number to some random dodgy website, but if you can use PayPal, that's wonderful. I even think like AliExpress, I don't really like to use AliExpress. In fact, I've really almost scared using that site, but I think they take PayPal. And the great thing about PayPal is when you make a payment, they can't do some kind of sketchy thing like continue to bill that card, because they don't have access to your credit card number. It's like a one-time thing. So I do believe that PayPal is a great leader to own. And as proof of this, the Investors Business Daily, you may have heard of it. It's a great financial website, and they included PayPal as a long-term leader. And there are not that many stocks on this long-term leader list. I believe there's only like 20 stocks on that list, and those are like companies that have extremely great financial results. But not only that, but they have the right chart pattern as well that you can hold it long term. Basically, if it's on the long-term leader list, it means that it kind of follows the philosophy of both William O'Neill, who was focused on growth stocks, and Warren Buffett, who's focused on holding long term. So I think PayPal has a chance at being one of those great stocks that goes up 10 times. You know how everybody on the internet is talking about what goes up 10 times? Well, I think PayPal has a chance of going up 10 times, especially in the next 4 or 5, maybe 6 years. So you definitely want to own stocks that have the possibility of at least accomplishing that. So if you enjoyed this video, a short video, click the like button, subscribe, and we'll focus on another exciting stock to look at. Talk to you in the next video.